I've been in Teslas, and I'm more impressed in this than being in any of those Tesla cars. 2017 Challenger HELLCAT, Dodge Challenger HELLCAT. You all know everything about the HELLCAT. So the regular HELLCAT is not the red eye, but it's the regular HELLCAT Dodge Challenger. There's the fuel hatch, 20-inch wheels, staggered wheels, Brembo brakes, 6.2 liter HELLCAT engine. Got a rear camera. We're gonna go for a quick ride. Look at that. Look. Right. So let's go for a ride. Right. Okay. Lucky enough to get in the HELLCAT today, the Dodge Challenger HELLCAT. Wow, what a lucky day this is. So you all, Dodge Challenger HELLCAT. Oh, it has the automatic 8-speed, and it has a backup camera, so it has a couple cool features in it. Very cool car. They have some very nice stuff. Check out Lake Street Motors in Grayslake, Illinois. There's the STI, the Subaru WRX STI just sold. They have a Ram SRT 10 that came out in like 2005. Those are hard to come by. They have an original WK1 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. They have an SS Trailblazer. They have a CTS-V. They have a lot of really cool toys here. They have a Skyline R33 in the back. They have this F-150 on some kind of, I don't even know what those are. There's a 5.0 Mustang. They have some really cool stuff here. Wow. If you all want something unique and special, here's the place. In Lake County, they have some of the best cars I've ever seen. So here we go in the HELLCAT. Again, you all at, at home, sick with coronavirus, and I'm out here enjoying this wild ride. Here we go. You all please visit this dealership. They have some great stuff. Again, it's Lake Street Motors, and it's in Grayslake, Illinois. A couple minutes from the Grayslake metro station up here. For those of you that are in Chicago and want to come out and check out some really cool cars. It's 2 blocks away from the metro Grayslake stop in Grayslake, Illinois. I don't have to say anything. You all, this is incredible. I've been in Teslas, and I'm more impressed in this than being in any of those Tesla cars. I'm way more impressed being here. Pretty cool. Yeah. One day I might bring one up here. Yeah. To the dealership, yeah, to compare the two. Yeah. It's quiet though. It's really awesome. It's like a roller coaster. There's no sound whatsoever. Just the wind moving.
Yeah.
So you all, again, this is the SRT Dodge Challenger HELLCAT. You can see here, it's got different performance page options, just like all the other SRTs have. The race options, it tests RPM, it tests 0 to 60 times. It tests so many different things, And I was just in a Challenger SRT Challenger manual just a few days ago, but this is completely different vehicle, completely different. So you can look in the back. It has these, back seats. It has the basic suede. You can see the HELLCAT, SRT HELLCAT logo right there. And it does come with the, sunroof. It does have a sunroof. That's an option for those that want that option. And again, this is just, hey, you can see here another HELLCAT logo. It's really special stuff here. You all have to check out this car. You all have to check out this car. It'll do do nothing but put smiles on your face. That's all I can say. I don't have any other thing to say other than it's a legendary car, legendary performance car. You know, you have to experience it in person. You cannot look at a video and just expect for that to be enough. You have to experience it in person. Really, something else. And I think the coolest thing about it is that these cars are not that expensive compared to, you know, other vehicles that you can purchase with less power. So it has a 6.2 liter HEMI. It has I think it's a 2.4 liter Whipple, 2.4 liter supercharge on the top of it. And again, you heard the whine, and it's interesting because when comparing this to the Trackhawk, this exhaust system is much louder. The Trackhawk's exhaust system is muted, and I guess that's something that Chrysler does with their Jeeps. They keep this exhaust muted for some reason. I'm not sure why, but this has a lot more character to it. Look here, they have an RT charger. They have again the 5.0, which I think that's somebody else's car. I think that's sold, it's probably not for sale, but look, they have an RT Durango here. They have a bunch of pickup trucks, all of the good stuff. Silverados, another Ram 1500. They have a Sierra, GMC Sierra, a bunch of cool stuff. Really, really cool stuff. Really cool stuff. And this guy, he just demoed to us some of his skills. Pretty cool, you know. Yeah. Wow. You all like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and again, check out Lake Street Motors. Thank you.